Regional banks really got hit hard this year. There was a big scare that a couple of these regional banks went bankrupt, and boy, all stocks were sold off that were regional banks. Even the big banks had a sell off. Now, is that fair? Not really. I think the rise in interest rates really created a big problem if you were holding long-term bonds. But I think we're past that now. And I'd like to cover a regional bank by the name of Midland States Bank in this video and tell you about this particular bank and their stock. My name is Victor. Have an MBA. I have a lot of business experience, and I like to do analysis on companies that I consider investing in. Do me a big favor. If you like content like this, subscribe to my channel and like the video. It really helped my channel out. Now, let me tell you more about Midland States Bank. Now, I like to scorecard all my investments. That way, if I have a consistent process, I can follow that process and learn from my mistakes or learn from my successes. My scorecard involves 4 questions on this bank, followed by a decision whether I want to buy shares, hold, or sell. First question is, do I want to be part owner in this bank? Do I think banking is a good industry? Do I feel like the management team's doing a good job? Is there a growing book value for this bank? And am I getting a discount? And therefore, I could see my investment go up in value over time. Based on the answers to those questions, I'd buy, hold, or sell. Midland States Bank is located in Illinois, and they do a lot of business with farmers and all the agriculture economy. I tend to think that's a stable economy. It's an economy where relationships do matter. So I like that about the bank. I think it's a stable regional bank. They pay a really nice dividend. So for those reasons, I really like their story. I like the industry of regional banks. This bank announced their earnings on Friday, and I got some fresh data so I can take a look at how they're doing. They grew their revenues just a little bit, 1%, not a whole lot, but they were very profitable. So that's good to see, and they pay a good dividend. Their shares have been decreasing. Very good sign. Fewer shares means each share is more valuable. I want to determine a value of Midland States Bank, a value that I believe the bank should be worth, and then compare it to the share price. So first method I'm going to use is earnings per share value. It's one that I use just about on every stock. And I'm going to take an earnings per share of 3.5, which is what I believe they're going to do this year, a PE of 10, which is really low and conservative. And I'm going to grow that by 5%. I think this regional bank has historically grown much faster than typical banks. And based on those factors in this formula up here, I get a value per share of $30.55. Each share is trading for $23.54. So using the earnings per share value, there's a discount of 30% available on this stock. Well, just to compare, I'm also going to look at the book value, projected book value, and I'm also going to look at earnings growth and see where those valuations land. The book value puts the stock price of Midland States Bank at $35.60, and the earnings growth value puts it at $30.13. Averaging those out, I get a $32.87 per share. And I'm going to take all 3 and average them out to get to what I calculate is a 36% discount available on Midland States Bank. Doing my homework and determining what I think this stock ought to be priced or what the value is a big advantage. And here's why. I believe this stock is really worth $32.12. And the market will trade up and down, sometimes above that line, sometimes below. And I could take advantage of low points. Let's say buying this stock at $15 per share would have been a low point, and then you could see your investment rise. And that's why I do my homework, is to have this type of information to make decisions. Here's another point. Just recently, with the regional bank scare, this stock has really been pushed down. But I believe they're worth a lot. And they pay a dividend of 5.15%, which is a nice dividend. So let me scorecard MSBI. First, I think it's a good bank, and I want to be part of a regional bank. I think they reward shareholders, and they pay a really nice dividend. The management team here is doing a great job. They really know their market. They really know their customer, and they do a good job. The book value has grown, which is very good, and they offer a nice little discount, and they pay you a 5.15% dividend as well. Therefore, I'm going to be buying more shares of MSBI. Hey, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. Do me a giant favor and like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos like this. And good luck investing in 2023.